Welcome to Wired In. Today we're talking about lighting. So the first step in creating a lighting opportunity or for getting a lighting solution for your facility is to talk to someone that knows what they're doing. And so that's what we're doing today. We brought in Bobby Graham, who deals with this every day with customers all over the United States. First of all, Bobby, what kind of customers are you talking to on a daily basis?
So as a company, we deal with facility managers. So that can be any from managing a hotel, it could be a clinic, could be a retail location, could be a commercial building, or even just a warehouse.
So what kinds of challenges are facility managers facing?
Well, there's many of them, right? And they're complex, right? Certainly when you're managing one or many facilities, you've got everything from lighting, you've got plumbing, you've got HVAC issues. There's challenges every day, and they're complex. Sometimes they're very hard to solve.
What kinds of, so we're talking about how to identify lighting opportunities.
Right.
What kinds of problems can lighting solve?
So the things that lighting solves for is reducing costs, and that could be costs from just simple maintenance, right? It costs money to repair lighting. It costs money to maintain it. That's material and labor. There's also costs associated with energy expense. If the lighting is on and on all the time, it's going to consume a lot more energy than it would if it's off, right? And it's also going to fail faster if it's on longer. So those, from a cost standpoint, there are those challenges and opportunities that it exists with lighting. The other side of that is efficiency, right? Is it enough light to perform the task? If you think about a warehouse, they're assembling parts. You know, can I see the parts appropriately? If I'm in an office space and I'm an employee working at a desk and it's glary, and I'm getting headaches and it's hard to see, that's an opportunity that lighting can solve. You know, there are things like hotels, like is the lighting in the room on and working when no one's there? Right. You know, can I waywardly find my way through a parking lot? Is the signage working? Can I see that it's an Apple store?
Or do I feel safe?
Do I feel safe, right? So that efficiency, not only through the space performing my task, but then also that comfort and feel factor is where lighting can really help.
Hey, thanks for watching. Before you go, 3 quick things. First of all, if you like this content and you want to see more of it, hit the like and subscribe button down below. We're going to be releasing these on a regular basis. So while you're down there, hit the notification bell, and when we come out with new content, you'll be notified. This is a community that's built on your questions, your comments, and your participation. There are 2 ways that you can participate in that. One, obviously, ask questions in the comment section down below or make a comment. We'd love to know what you hear. Also, we're taking your comments, putting them together, and there is a companion podcast that goes along with this video where we're going to answer all of your questions and all of your concerns that you have around this topic or any others. Look in the show notes down below for links to the podcast or any of our other content. Thanks, guys.